Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Got another pole barn kit going out here. As you can see, we keep 24s and 30s and 40s in stock. Man, these are nice. This is a 24 by 40 going out to a customer up in Virginia. This is going to be $4.50 a square foot for everything that you see. All your 6x6, 16-foot tall posts. That's going to be all your trusses, 2-inch heavy duty, 2-inch angled painted black steel. It's going to be all your metal roofing 40-year, all your trim, your post, your 2x6 purlins. That's everything in a kit to put it on the roof. Now you can figure about $7.50 a square foot for your kits, completely enclosed like a box on the ground with your insulation for your roofing, your walls. That's no concrete doors or anything like that, but that's everything that you're looking for to complete your complete building. Now we sell doors and windows and all those kind of things, and I can give you prices on that kind of stuff, but I'm telling you what, this is the way to go. 2 to 3 days turnaround time when you order them. We ship nationwide. Man, these are nice. Look at these puppies, man. I mean, this is nice stuff, man. We sell these. Look at the cups on these things. I mean, these things are made where you just put your 2x6s right down in there. They're all centered so that your screws don't hit. You know, you've got your 2-inch angled steel. Man, this is the way to go. We've got our stabilizer bars on all of our trusses that go down just about 2 feet on each of the gable trusses. But give me a call at 828-413-4201, 828-413-4201, and get yourself a pole barn kit. Man, we're shipping them all over the place. If you're interested in becoming a dealer, man, I can get you set up to be a dealer. It's going to be exciting. God bless you. Have a great day. Get yourself a pole barn.